What's up people, this is Nasser from Devthinks, and today I'm going to answer the most awaited question: what's difference between our custom website that we built using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and sometimes React.js and have a backend separately, and what's the difference between those WordPress websites and Shopify websites that you can build without using any type of code. I mean, they are using code, but you don't really have to code by yourself, so you can just drag and drop and create those websites. So what's the difference between those websites, and when should you use those WordPress and Shopify websites instead of a custom built website? So the most and the important thing to ask yourself to deciding when you are deciding on which platform you should go to, should you get a developer or learn yourself how to code to make a website, or use the WordPress or Shopify. So the first question is that if you are just testing your idea, for example, if you want to just create an e-commerce store, okay, you want to create an e-commerce business, then I would recommend you to go with something like Shopify, because they have already battle tested everything. For example, how the website should look and how their SEO should be done. They already have the backend for you, and for example, they already have that functionality. For example, so if somebody clicked on an item and he added to the cart, and at that time that the item was in stock, but then when he goes to a checkout page, at that time the item gets out of stock, then what should happen? So those kind of edge cases have already been taken care for you in e-commerce stores. For example, in Shopify takes care of that. For example, if you are creating a blog, a simple blog, okay, and you just want to do some SEO, and then those kind of things are taken care for you by WordPress. So look for those kind of solutions for those specific niches if you are just starting out, okay. So that will help you to get into market faster as compared to getting a web developer. And I'm not saying that one is better than another. You really have to go through your scenario, that what's really happening with you. So for example, if you have the budget, I would always recommend go for a custom made website. A custom made website usually costs around $1,000 to $5,000 and more, depending on the functionality. So if you have the budget, go for a custom built website. But if you don't have the budget and you are just starting out and you don't want to spend a lot of time on developers and making designs, those kind of things, then go with a WordPress and Shopify website. Right, I think that makes it clear. Let me know if you have any other questions, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.